Ka Mbose Jong ka tarik jymmang Ar pusau kala pellat ya ka result jangka class 12 science but commerce stream hakabaya ka top 10 science stream Laban Bengalee Boys Sohan Bhattacharjee na ka skul Laban Bengalee Boys School ya ka kyrdan Ar layo du Gordon Kupar Nongbri na ka skul St Edmund Higher Secondary School bat ya ka kyrdan kabalai layo du Ar Meker Marpna na ka skul St Anthony's Higher Secondary School. But ia ka top 10 haka commerce stream spot, ia ka kyrdan nyngkong, layo de Ferry Felarisha wann, na ka skul St Mary's Higher Secondary School, ia ka kyrdan Ar, layo de Raj Paul na ka skul St Anthony's Higher Secondary School, but ia ka kyrdan balai, layo de Pongkoch Dutta, na ka skul Laban Bengalee Boys School.
I'm Edward Paul from St Edmund School, Science Stream, and I attained the 9th position in Mbose 2024.
So could you tell us how do you feel after achieving the 9th position?
I mean, I'm really happy. My teachers have always been telling me like I have the potential, so I'm happy that I lived up to that potential.
So could you explain to us about how was your preparation and how many hours did you spend studying? And apart from that, what were the difficulties that you were facing and how did you overcome all that?
So I studied around, during holidays it was 15 hours, and if it was during school days, I would try to get at the most 6 hours, or at least would be 3 hours. I would wake up very early in the morning, at least 3 o'clock. Then during school I would come early, 30 minutes to study in school. After that it was coaching, then I'll study there a little bit as well. And difficulties I faced was mobile, number one. Besides that, honestly, nothing else. It's just mobile. Watching YouTube and everything. Then I would say the preparation was simple but difficult. All you need to do is listen to your teachers and study, even if it's a little bit every day. Try to do it every day and pray to God.
Class 12 penyok Elizabeth nyngkong. But ngaru nyngkong jung class 10 or pass your metric. Stang hindiat hi ban poi halesem jung top 20. Ti ngamis no kumba 100 marks ai. Tambah 100 kham ai kata bakan kan stop yang ama ban Wan Sha Khmat. Ti ngadang trish tom shushu nang tu bat kumtu bat kini kisnam ba irap kinang hikai ban ndang stong. Ti nakadaw ngala ban poi mata sini bat kania determination jangaru kelak penong yang bangan drive Khmat mo bangan kiu prang bet motor Khmat ti nyngkong preparation janga ke porlang school kumtu te ngam deyo than hi ban krakot bang hab tuitions te haji ko por hab ndap ki assignments ki work ki bayon school ti at least pan try ban bu kumtu like kanta at least ban yo kre ya maths physics but chemistry ti tamba kita ni ki porlang school bangam la ban bu por ban yo kre tamba jadi kisni por team te ngale ban kre bit kumtu por sni kat boyo por ti hoi ban just ko important bai tamba try ban maximize ya ko por janga mo wala jiko por ang krekot bin tu kumba shipu kanta prakanta ne ting ru ka tam shipu kanta ru but kani winter break ru shoot trish tam bit ba krebet tam ya shipu kanta
Nanor ka jipli nanor ka jing krekot jipi hidan plat ki kam pyllait train hidan ki kam pan
ngat yang prepare bit mata ya ka yaki studies ngalong focus bit yaki studies.
I'm extremely happy as all my hard work, also my teachers, and they like the hard work they were fruitful. So yeah, and I thank God for everything, and my teachers, my parents, and also my friends for motivating me every time.
So can you tell us about your preparation? How was your preparation and what were the difficulties that you faced during the preparations for this exam?
I had a routine, so I followed it. During the school days, I studied for maximum around 3 hours if I get the time. And during the holidays, I'll be studying for around 5 to 6 hours.
So were there any difficulties that you had to face during those times, especially during the preparation?
Yeah, but my teachers were there to help.
Yang ini mungkin kita ni di mana sebun ini pun minta wan katan kaba ar top 10 di science di aku yang kau nak kalam ni tentang aku di pun siap dia tai dah ti berai yang ni ta bo pala mak ini exams apa yang akan second position. Di kereta ini di ai kubleru ya kinong hikai kima tristom ai kaji hikai nang tang jumu kumjuru ya kini ki tinggi no hikai kima sim tuition yu ini ai kubleru langi kita ru di kini hiu kima lakit kya na kanta kima ai mensim motivate you kuma position mereka position second position.
I feel really great about the fact that he has got secured fourth rank in the list, and it's not something that is unpredictable. We knew that Ryan would make it to the list. He's been always sincere and disciplined with his work, and when a student does, in the classroom only you can sense what a student is capable of, and we could sense Ryan's performance from day one itself. We are really happy.
Achievement, the biggest achievement as teachers. They tama bago hikai kini, but hikai who's part of this institute. We feel extremely proud today. Kum hikai tingi ju ki potentials jong ki Khynnah, but ni ju share ka ju Khynnah. Namar ba kadang ka potential ni dan kam ban instruct bhai ki. We can now focus, we can now determine what she's now. Te kata hingile bat ni kemen hadu kata nama ba kisngap kita bat kilong kum ni dena kita bat ka jing trust tam juki ho kum ni kino hikai te ni tep ki potentials jing ki Khynnah te ni la don't make expectation adu day one te kam long ta ho kemen pala ni i ka result tang ba ka long ru bangi la yo ilu palong bangi la expect ya kini ka result ni kini nama ba kuma fi i ki deki Khynnah i trust tam hadu rata, so it was very much expected and kalong.
Today is a very special day for us in St Edmund's Higher Secondary School because some of our students have made us very proud. They have rewarded us with good results. They are now rank holders both in commerce as well as science. I am familiar with all these students. I have interacted with them during the year, so I know them, some of them personally, and I feel very proud that they have reached this milestone in their life, that they are rank holders at a very young age. I am sure as they proceed with higher education, their further studies, they will work hard and bring a lot of rewards not only to themselves, to their family, and also to the institution. I would also like to thank all our teachers who have worked extremely hard in preparing these students, all students in fact. I deeply appreciate their hard work and commitment to St Edmund's Higher Secondary School and to all our students. In fact, I am proud to say that we have a fantastic set of teachers in the school who work in a very dedicated way to bring the best out of these students.